Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to add multiple images for product variants in Shopify. This is helpful if you sell items in different colors, sizes, or styles, and want each option to show the correct image when customers make a selection. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. On the left side, click on Products. Then choose the product you want to edit. Scroll down to the Variants section. You'll see a list of all the available options like different colors or sizes. Before we add images to each variant, we need to make sure the variants are set up correctly. Click plus icon beside a variant. Make sure each one has the correct option name, like red, blue, or large. Then click Save. Now scroll back up to the Media section of the product page. Click Add Media from Files and upload all the images you want to use for the different variants. You can upload several images at once. After uploading, scroll back down to the Variants section. Click the checkbox beside the variant you want to assign images to. Then click More Actions and select Add Images. A window will pop up. Choose the images that match this variant. Click Done and then click Save.